Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. So today I have a what's in my school bag video for you, and it is featuring the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM in the monogram version. I bought this bag, I believe, a year or two ago, and I originally had this bag. I'll leave cards up here with a review and other what's in my bags featuring this Neverfull bag, but currently, I am using it as a school bag now that I'm in university. But yeah, I used to have the Neverfull MM in the checkered print with the red interior. Now you can choose colours inside, but I went for the classic beige just because I like that sort of nudie look. Otherwise, maybe I would have gone for the pink. The red I always associate with GRWM, so like I couldn't do the red, but obviously if you want any other colour, you can, which I really like. So this is how I organise it. Hope you can see. And I don't take my laptop to class because the current classes that I have, the professors are old school, which I absolutely love, and so they want us to use a notepad and pen just so that we're actively writing and engaging in the class. So I have a lot of that sort of stuff. Otherwise, if you're at university, you put your laptop in. And I live very close by to my building, so if I do need my laptop to go study at the library later, I can. So, where should I start? Okay, so I have my pencil case. This, my beautiful subscriber, bought this for me a long time ago, and it's honestly the best and nicest pencil case I ever had. It's something that I would have never chosen for myself, but I love it because now I would definitely choose it. And it's by the brand Bimba Lola, which is a Spanish company, and I love that it's got Lola in it. But this is what it looks like, and I love it. It's like a really nice satiny material, and it just holds everything, and I just love the colours. And inside I have a whiteout or a Tipex pen. This is by Beige. And then I have these Sharpie highlighters that have that sort of see-through middle bit, which there's no purpose to it, it's just like that, but I really like how thin they are. And I bought accompanying pens to match the colours of the highlighter from the same brand, Sharpie, so I can kind of coordinate. And then I obviously have a pencil, and this is Pentel 0.7 millimeters. And then I have a rubber, or an eraser, you guys call it in America, Pentel. And then I've got my Hello Kitty USB stick, because I need that for biostats. And that's it in my pencil case. So it's very, very simple. I try not to have anything like added or extra, and this is all that I use anyway. And obviously I have a black pen, I should say that. And that's from Paper Chase. These are my favorite. If you have a Paper Chase, get these ones. They come in a pack of 4, I think. So there's a white, blue, pink, and maybe a green. And they write really nicely. So that's that. Then I have my calculator. This is the Texas Instruments, I think it's the TI-83. We had to get like a special calculator, and at the back I just put my name and then Tulane University, and then I always put the date, July 2018. It's just a habit. And on the front I've got a little coffee sticker just so I know it's mine. Then I always carry something to drink. Normally this has a shot or two of espresso. This is by Elan Cafe. It's bottled by Frank Green, or like manufactured by Frank Green, the company. And this is really good. You just kind of like push down and then it opens up and you can sip, or I put just like a juice in there. It's very small obviously, but that's kind of all I need, and then I can always refill with water. I always carry some snacks with me. These are my favorites. The organic Mama Chia squeeze in the Green Magic. This by far, I haven't tried any of the other flavors, but I don't think I ever will, because I just love this one so much. This just tastes unbelievable, and my recommendation is to put them in the fridge. They taste so good when they're cold. I love this flavor. It's just amazing, and it's got really good stuff in there. There's 1200 milligrams of omega-3, chia fruit, vegetables. It's 70 calories, gluten-free, vegan. So love that. And then these by Target, it's the Simply Balanced range. This is fruit strip strawberry natural flavor. These are lovely. If you are Persian, they're kind of like Lavo Shack, but not as like sour. But I really, really love them. And then, what else do I have? So then this Neverfull comes with this pouch, which is very handy, and you can like detach it, but I've kept it on. And this pouch I use kind of as like my emergency kit, makeup bag, little things. So in here, it has like it has like a little split divider. And the first thing I have is the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Transforming Powder 25 Nude Beige. And I love this. This is actually really, really good. It comes with a sponge, and this doesn't like mess up my makeup, but it's a really good blotting sort of contraption. And then it does give obviously a bit of color. So if something does smear off, or it just needs like an added like coverage, it will do that really, really nicely. This is like the perfect shade. And then I also have, this is going to be no surprise because you know I love Hello Kitty. This is the Hello Kitty 10 Hand and Face Wipes, fragrance free. And on the other side, I have normally the lipstick I'm wearing of the day. So this is the Marc Jacobs Aha Honey. I've got it on my lips now. I do have a look on this fall makeup that's coming. I have the Orbit White Spearmint Gum. And then I have this Sally Hansen Cuticle Rehab pen. I really, really like this. I have to keep on top of my cuticles, otherwise I'll start picking them. And, you know, I have gel dip nails on right now. This is like a little Mickey Mouse. And these are my real nails. Can you believe it? I can't. But yeah, I try and keep my cuticles really nice and moisturized. And this is really, really good for on the go. And I just massage it in, and it's just keeping them really moist. And I love it. However, I feel like because I use it so often, it's running out quite soon, or sooner than I expected. But maybe not. Maybe that's like the right time. I've just been really on top of it. Then I have a pen by Tulane Library. Then I have normally the perfume that I'm wearing of the day. This is the Elizabeth and James Bourbon. This is an amazing scent. I love it. I will definitely, if I don't get my Burrito Mojave Ghost, which is my scent, it kind of reminds me of the person I'm seeing at the moment. It's kind of like my date scent. If I don't get that, then I'm going to get the bourbon. Then I have MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. This is in the shade NC25. Honestly, since I have the Maybelline one, I don't need this, and I'm not too impressed with this, so actually this can go out. I always carry some paracetamol or naproxen, Tylenol. And then I have this little sticky note that tells me where there's some threading places here. So in New Orleans. So that's all I carry in there. Then it has a small zipper pocket at the back. And obviously I keep my phone in there. This is a case by Maison de Sabre, and I have my initials or my nickname as on there, which I absolutely love. I love this case so much. I feel so professional and chic with it. And it's got the, it's the red of the Louis Vuitton. It's exact red. And I love that it smells of leather. And then I have my keys. Now I have the Starbucks. This is like a little cold frappuccino sort of cold drink card. And then I have my house and mail key. And then I have this sort of hotel lobby key that says coffee then victory. I got this from Amazon. And then I have my Tulane ID. And then it's just on a Tulane strap or lanyard. And it's annoying and jingly. But it's it's definitely needed. And I have a CeraVe. My dermatologist gave this to me to put on my lips or anywhere that's cracked. And then I have my little Mulberry card case. Do you remember when I bought this in the summer? I love it. That's all I need. I just carry cards with me. I don't carry any cash. And so, yeah, I love this color. And it's just nice and secure to have it in the little zip here. And then I have a Ricola because I was quite ill previously. And I like that because, you know, you can zip it up and it's convenient and safe. Now, the middle compartment obviously just has my books and stuff, and I just wanted to go a little bit through it. So currently I have 2 classes that are that require like pen and paper. My other class hasn't started yet, so I don't know how that's going to be. And another class that I have is on the computer. I can just look at the PowerPoint slides, that's fine. So I'm doing biostatistics and epidemiology, and I've got these folders. These are by the Snowpake Polyfile Trio, and I bought these from Ryman's, I believe, and they came in a pack of like 3 or 4. I think it was this teal color, pink, navy blue, or purple, and a white, or clear. And I decided that biostats, which is my worst subject, I put in my favorite color, psychology, and I've got it as, so you can label it and stuff, so I have like assignments, quizzes, and just lecture notes. And then epidemiology, same thing, so I've got epidemiology so I can see what it is, and then you can also put a sticker here if you want to, and then I've got like assignments, quizzes, homeworks, and stuff like that. And I take this Moleskine notebook. This came in a pack as well. It came in purple, yellow, and then I think a peach color. And this is just where I jot down my notes. If I haven't printed off the PowerPoint slides, I normally jot on those. But if there's anything additional, or if I'm doing anything additional, right now I'm doing like an online diploma course in borderline personality disorders. So I use this, and it's kind of like just anything and everything. But it's all there. So, you know, I've got that. And then I've just started using this one, and I've labeled it as RSU, and then I wrote Revision Notes 2018. I normally always write my name on books. My dad always used to do that with his surgical books. So he's always taught me to write my name, you know, in full, and like the date and stuff. And it's just nice when you know, you reflect back and then you remember the dates, and it's really lovely. So I use this as my revision notes currently, because before I was just having quizzes and assignments, and it wasn't really anything that I needed to jot down per se, or I could just review the PowerPoints, but now my exams are coming up, and so I need to revise from the beginning, and even the one that is on my computer, I'm jotting down notes now. So I'm doing that, and I'm dedicating this book for all the subjects, just notes and things like that. And then finally, I have my planner. And this is the one, I don't know who, it's by Ecolo, Dana Lee Collection, ECCOLO Limited.com. And I bought this from TK Maxx or HomeSense, one of the two. And it says, so here's the plan, 2019, and it started in July, and I love this. I've been filling it up nicely. It's just really, really good to organize and everything. Like, that was my last week, and this is my this week, and I've color coded it. So I've got the times and things like that. So for example, on Thursday, I've got 9 a.m. biostats, and then exam 1, and then 4 p.m. exam 1, you know. And so if you want to see how I kind of color code and how I do that sort of stuff, I can talk to you about it, but it's my personal way, and it might not work, or it's just kind of, I don't know. There's so many videos that are really good out there to help you with revision and studying and stuff. So I feel like mine would be redundant and pretty boring. But what I do have are these like sort of gratitude or like confidence stickers that my friend got me in a pack, and I randomly at the start of the semester put them like in just random places. So like as you flick through, you might see a few. and it's just a nice surprise when you get to that page and there's something. So this one says live with passion, so I really like it. It's kind of really cute. And I do have like some stickers as well that I've put in here. Like I have this spa one, you know, I have like laundry day and things like that, no school. So yeah, I've really been enjoying this, and I love the smoothness to this. It feels really, really nice, like a smooth leather, and it's just nice and compact, and it doesn't get heavy, and it has that little tab so you know to open up on the week that you're in. And yeah, that's it. That's my bag. And on the outside, I have a little unicorn. It's sparkly, and it has a anti-back. My sister got this from me from Bath & Body Works. It's been a really great school bag. I've never had any issues with this. It's just nice and light because it's canvas, and it's durable, and it's okay in the rain if so. Sometimes I carry an umbrella with me because you never know in New Orleans when it's going to rain. One person did ask me if I cinch these in at all, and I only do that when I'm on the airplane, just for added security. Yeah, so I will see you very soon in my next video. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on my videos, and subscribe. Bye!